Try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon.
Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Beneficial Free V6. This is a super OP library. It was made by Beneficial. I know him, so yeah. Super OP. This has 29 pages, which is, 30 I think. It has projectile range, projectile miniguns, projectile spammers, all of them. There's different settings, and yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you ever want to meet me, join the code CAT3. Put in that code right now. Oh, gosh. As you can tell. So yeah. If there's anybody other than me in there, I'll just say it's me, Shepherd GT. Do you know me? And if you do, you can stay. And if you don't, you have to leave. So yeah, if we hit 100 subscribers, I'll reveal my color code. And make sure to like and subscribe, or else. Woo! So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. First up, we got settings, save preferences. It saves all the stuff. Theme changer 1. It's green and yellow. Theme changer 2. It's black and purple. Theme changer 3, it's like this, yeah. Theme changer 4, it's black and yellow. Theme changer 5, it's red, and orange and yellow, I think. Theme changer 6, it's yeah. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna change it up to this. Join random, it joins random public. Disconnect. Right secondary, disconnect. When you press your right secondary button, you disconnect. Quit app, it quits your name. Platforms. Sticky platforms. Invis platforms. No clip, it's your right trigger. Fly. It's your B button. Motion speed. Bro, why am I so laggy? Let's just go with motion speed. Beacons. Tracers. Bug tracers. Tracers to the bug. Bat tracers. Tracers to the bat. Snow floor. That's pretty useless because we're on the Christmas update, but it's just makes the floor snow. Fix spray fixes the snow floor. If it was in like in full rocket, grab bug left, grab bug right, spaz bug, blue bug, it doesn't work, grab bat left, please work, grab bat right, ghost monkey. Oh, it's your right trigger. Yeah, these two don't work. Grab left and right. Invis monkey. It's your right trigger. Head spin. Fix side, it fixes your head. TP to stump. You TP to stump. It's your A button. TP to city. It's your... That doesn't work. TP to beach. It's supposed to be your right grip. Spam first cosmetic slot. Pretty self-explanatory. Spam second cosmetic slot. Self-explain. Oh, that was not explained. And let me just increase the FOV. It's better. Spam first cosmetic slot. Join beneficial. It joins the word beneficial. It's not working. Anti-report, water self. What to is that? Oh, it's your right grip. Water gun. Whenever you shoot it, water goes there. Water low. That's detected. Water left. Water right. Tag gun V2, tag 1, tag all. Follow people. Yeah, don't use because sound breaks. Ray gun. Oh shoot. Okay. Pee, that, throw up, poop, snowball spammer, snowball gun, snowball minigun left. That's detected. Snowball minigun right. Warbling spammer, warbling gun. Warbling minigun left, right. Cloud spammer, cloud gun, cloud. Yeah, all of the spammers for miniguns left and right, and yeah. And spammers for the presents. What's a party ball? Oh, coal spammer. Yeah, just yeah. Rock gun. Yeah. So warbling range. Will that two stack? I don't know. That might not work. Yeah, and all of the range for all the projectiles. Ropes up, ropes down, spaz ropes down. But when you shoot a rope, it spazzes it. Iron monkey, it doesn't work. Vibrate gun, it's probably nasty, but it's just vibrate gun. Vibrate all, vibrates everybody's controllers. And that is it for Beneficial Free V6. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm Trevor GT, and I'm out.